Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about our inner child. We all have our cute inner child. Okay, all of you look back your inner child. We can see Carl Jung's psychodynamic theory speaks about inner child. Inner child is an individual's childlike aspect. It is the childlike hidden part of personality that is characterized by childhood experiences. Importance of healing inner child. Your unhealed inner child may influence your parenting, your relationships, and marriage. Connecting with the inner child can help to heal past wounds. Understand the spiritual connection with the inner child through self-awareness. If you found a wounded inner child, there may be wounded inner child. Usually avoid, defend against their pain. Safe access is important by witnessing the stories of their origins and healing them. How to connect with inner child? Re-evaluate negative feelings as positive needs of your inner child. Look to children for guidance. Revisit childhood memories and heal them. You can revisit your inner child by recollecting your sweet memories of past childhood. Ways to awaken joy, play, out of frames, love unconditionally. You can play out of frames, like enjoying with the water, enjoying with the butterflies, and whatever you missed to joy when you were in childhood. Be yourself, love and be loved. Forget the past, switch off anxiety. When you be yourself, you can give space to your inner child to enjoy. So, be yourself.